Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my fall home tour. I promised you guys this a long time ago and I'm just now getting it up. I'm so sorry, I'm so late in the game on posting my fall home tour, but I did want to show you everything that I got for fall this year and some of the stuff from last year and years before. So I did buy some stuff from Target. Some of it was from the Dollar Spot. I also got some stuff from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General. And also my cushion covers are from Amazon. So I am just going to let the music play. I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, please consider subscribing. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.